Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but I picked up this device. It's the Flawless by Finishing Touch hair removal device. A few months ago from Walmart. It was $19.99, I believe, and I'm going to be reading the specs. I'm on the Ulta website, even though I got it from Walmart, but I'm pretty sure they all say the same thing. But while I'm reading the specs of it, I'm just showing you guys, how I open it, the light, and, all of that stuff. So it instantly and painlessly removes unwanted facial hair without having to wax, tweeze, or laser. Spinning technology sweeps away hair of any length. It has an 18 karat gold plated head. It's hypoallergenic and gentle to use on all skin types. Has a built in light so you don't miss a hair, even the finest hair and peach fuzz. It's sleek, compact, and discreet. Battery operated, so it's great for on the go use and travel. It has a removable head for easy cleaning. Dermatologist approved. No irritation, nicks, cuts, bumps, redness, or burns. Hair will not grow back faster, and it's gentle to use every day. So before I get started, I'm going to clean my face really fast with the witch hazel. So this is me up close and personal, no filter, no anything, and I'm just showing you guys my mustache. Um, and I'm just, showing you guys how the before looks, and you can barely see it, but I have some peach fuzz on my face. Like I said, I'm going to do my entire face. As you can see, this is one side done already, and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But I did leave another half of the face for you guys to see. And I'm also going to turn the device on so you can see. It might be a little noisy, but it's not that loud at all. And that you can see the light and me touching it, so it doesn't, it doesn't hurt. So just starting off by using small circular motions over the area of hair that you want to remove. And I take this over an epilator any day. A few years ago, I bought an epilator on Groupon, and even though that thing works and the hair is going away for a long time, it hurts so bad. And I've also tried those Sally Hansen facial wax strips, and I still got some in the pack. That hurt really bad. um, so I was happy when I got this because it's so much easier, and it's travel friendly. It's small, so if you are a person, especially a person who suffers from PCOS, this is good to take with you on the go. You can just throw it in your purse, and if you feel some hair or you miss the hair or something, you can just go ahead and and do it. But so this is me just doing my entire face. Like I said, I'm doing circular motions, and I like to keep my sideburns. I love my sideburns, and I know a lot of people don't, but I like my sideburns, so I really don't go too far on that area. I just do it on my cheeks, and I also do it on my nose. I'm not sure if this clip is in here. You don't want to shave your edges off. But I do like to go around my eyebrows and stuff just to remove any unibrow hairs that might occur. So then I'm going to twist the top. It's easy to just twist the top. So I'm going to show you guys the hair that's inside. So if you're grossed out by this, I'm sorry. But this is the hair from just one side of my face. And it also comes with a little brush that you can use. I just scooped it out on the little cotton pad. So if you're grossed out by this again, I'm sorry, but this is the demo. So then I'm doing the other side of my face the same way. Like I said, be careful when going above your eyebrow and your forehead area, because you don't want to, say goodbye to your edges and your brows. And I was just recently watching an infomercial, you know, when you can't sleep or whatever, and they come on, and now they have an eyebrow one like this. So if y'all watching this, or if any company come across this video and y'all got something like that for your eyebrows, I'm right here. No, I'm just playing. Not really. And they also do have a body hair device like this. It's bigger, but I just wanted to show you guys that this thing really does work and it removes hair. You can use this for your body, but it's going to take forever to do it. But that's just a portion from the other side of my face, and that's the little brush it comes with. Just comes with a little brush, and I just scoop it onto the pad so you guys can see all of the hair that was on my face. Now, after you're done, you want to go ahead and wash your face, and this part is important as well because you don't want to leave your face and skin feeling really dry. So what I did was just clean my face with the witch hazel again, and then I went ahead and used my ELF the hydrating bubble mask. I applied that on my face, left it on, it bubbled up, it was really hydrating. And then after the mask, I went ahead and I used vitamin E oil onto my face mixed in with my lotion, and my face felt really moisturized and it felt really smooth. That's all for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and comment down below to me what you think. Bye guys.